Alright, so our problem here is that how sufficient are the sanitary facilities at Lagao National High School? So suppose that we have 225 high school students who are whom we're going to get tested. So based on our result, we have 50 who voted 5, which is very much sufficient, and 50 who voted 4, which is very sufficient. We have 50 who voted 3, which is sufficient. We also have 50 who voted 2, which is fairly sufficient. And we have 25 who voted 1, which is insufficient. Alright, so to perform using this process, let's have this following. So the first step will be is to add all the data. Alright. Okay, let's go this way. So we use this process. So we have F. F here is, we can say that the F is the frequency. Okay. And then the X1 is the weight. F3 alright, over our frequency, which is, we have F1. So we have 5, F3, okay, so let's perform this following. So all we have to do is to multiply our frequency to our weight. Alright, so we have 50. Our weight is 5 who voted very much sufficient, added by 50 who voted 4, added by 50 again who voted 3, added by 50 who voted 2, added by 25 who voted 1. Alright? Over our frequency, which is frequency 1, which is 50. F2 is 50. F3 here is 50. F4, 50. And frequency 5 is 25. What we are going to do is to multiply the frequency from the weight. Let's multiply the frequency and weight. So 50 multiplied by 5, so we have 250. Alright? And then 50 multiplied by 4, so we have 200. And then 50 multiplied by 3, we have 50, or we have 150. Bring down the plus sign. So 50 multiplied by 2, so we have 100. Bring down again the plus sign. And then 25 multiplied by 1 is 25. Alright? You still follow? Okay. So next step will be, we will add all the frequencies. So 50 50 plus 50, 100 plus 50, 150 plus 50, 200. So we have the total frequencies of 225, or the respondents tested. Alright, so what we're going to do is to